yourself hand massage beautiful skin. When you are applying your moisturizer, do so in slow massage movements. This will help to improve the blood circulation on your hands to promote healthier skin, relaxing tense muscles. This is particularly good for those who have been doing repetitive movements with their fingers, either from typing, mouse clicking, writing and painting. Apply hand cream or moisturizer product. Apply hand cream or moisturizer product. Choose a product to apply as your massage. I have chosen Jergens Ultra Healing Nourishes and Heals Repairs for visibly healthier skin. Effleurage. Effleurage. This movement is used to warm up the muscle tissue and promotes a good blood circulation. Repeat this on the other hand. Reflexology. This is part of reflexology, and applying pressure to this pressure point is believed to relieve pain in other parts of the body such as headaches, nausea, migraine and stress. Repeat this on the other hand. Petrissage. Petrissage is a deep movement that uses applied pressure by using the kneading of the thumb to compress underlying muscles. Always relax the hand you are massaging. Here you are massaging the thin or eminence muscle. Repeat this on the other hand. Effleurage. Joint massage. Joint massage. This movement decompresses each joint in the fingers, also known as the metacarpophalangeal joints. Remember not to pull too hard, and it is important that you relax the hand that you are massaging. This should be a gentle and relaxing movement. Repeat this on the other hand. Effleurage